Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find and also add the trending video effects in CapCut. So here, if you want to add effects that is now trending on CapCut, you can just go straight to effect, then click on the video effect, and you'll be directed to the trending tab in here, and these are the list of the video effects that is now trending on CapCut. So to apply or to add it to your clips, you just need to click on the effect that you want to use. For example, I want to add the black flash effect and adjust it as you like. Then just click on the check icon and you can apply it to all of your clips on or some part of the clip. So that's basically it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.